Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to test your AI agent, review its test history, connect an inbox, configure handoff behavior, and publish the agent for customer conversations. Start in Playground by testing the main customer journey. Test 1. Happy Path. Here, the customer is interested in teeth whitening, provide their name, and chooses to get more information. Now I'll ask about the teeth whitening duration. Then, the agent retrieves the approved Bright Dental knowledge. Use Reset to have a new Playground chat. Test 2. Missing information. Next, test a question where the available information is not enough for the AI to give a safe answer. Provide your name. Instead of inventing a treatment recommendation, the agent follows the fallback route and connects the customer with the Bright Dental team. Reset it again to test human handoff. Test 3. Human handoff. Repeat the same step. The third test verifies the direct human handoff route. When the customer chooses Speak to a Human, the collected name is used in the handoff message and the conversation is transferred successfully. Review test history. After testing, open test history to compare recent Playground sessions. Each run records the conversation, number of turns, and final status, making it easier to review successful routes and identify abnormal behavior. Next, assign the inbox that this flow agent should handle. Each inbox can only be assigned to one flow agent. You can also pause the AI when a human replies, and exclude selected labels from automated responses. Flow agent settings control how the agent behaves during conversations. Here, we can define how long the AI stays paused after a handoff, how many times a collect step can ask again, and other reply behaviors. Before a full public launch, it also provides a testers-only mode for supported contacts. Approved tester phone numbers or WhatsApp identifiers can be added here to restrict who the agent responds to during validation. Once testing and configuration are complete, switch the publish audience to public. The Bright Dental Assistant is now published and connected to its assigned inbox, ready to handle eligible customer conversations. Finally, return to Flow Agents to monitor live AI usage. This dashboard shows replies, contacts, average cost per reply, and total cost. Keep an eye on your available AI reply credits or allowance, because the agent may stop responding when the available allowance is exhausted. Subscribe us to know more.